All right, so today got a ice maker, a manitowoc. Customers' complaint is it's not making ice, and they were due for cleaning. So first thing I did was come in and make sure that the ice maker's clean, but as you can see, it's pretty filthy. Take that out. Pretty dirty in me. So what happens is the water distributor gets clogged and the water doesn't dispense evenly onto the evaporator. So gotta clean this out and run a test, see what happens. So we'll go from there. With the ice bridge thickness sensor is, if it's this bad, I'll normally just replace it. I won't even bother cleaning it, but I've got my cleaning solution here. Gonna dump it in there for 10-15 minutes. Let it do its thing. And then take all these apart and clean them out individually. So what I like to do first, when it comes to cleaning ice machines, is I like to remove all the water moving parts. So I'll remove the water distributor and then the components behind it, the water trough, the water pump, the water level sensor. I like to take those out first, clean it out, clean out the body, clean out the evaporator if I have to, and then I'll run a cleaning cycle with acid concentration. Was it food cleaner? I'm sorry, not food cleaner. Food grade ice machine cleaner, and then I'll go ahead and sanitize that. And then while that's happening, I'll be washing out the bin, cleaning it out, sanitizing it, and then I'll run another test cycle so to ensure that the unit works. I think the unit is just fine because I've been servicing this ice machine, cleaning it out for the past year, and the machine works fine. It's just they got to keep up with their maintenance schedule. So I am going to put them on a maintenance agreement so that we do come out and clean it every 3 to 4 months. Because this is located in a bar with all the yeast in the air with the bar, with the beer, this, you'll get a lot of mold and slime. So we got to put them on a schedule and, try to prevent this from happening again. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll take these out. Oh man, that's bad. So yeah, I've seen worse, but this is what I see daily on ice machines. I wanted to quickly show the crap I've taken out so far. Alright, so got the parts back in. As you can see, it looks much cleaner. It doesn't look like new, but that's the best we could get it cleaned out. So I'm gonna put the curtain on and then run a cleaner for about 30-35 minutes, let it do its thing, and then in the meantime I'll just clean out that mess. I wanted to show you all the crap that I've taken out. You can't really see all of the crap on camera, but it's just disgusting. But yeah, that's where we are with this one. Gonna put the curtain on and then run a cleaner, and we'll go from there. See you soon. All right, so got the evaporator cleaned out in the water distribution area. Distributor, I'm sorry. Got it cleaned out as best as we could. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Now next step is to take those and get those cleaned out. Now that's disgusting. That's where water sits, and that's what their customers are eating, and it's disgusting. But this customer is known to get their cleaning done on time. It's just this year I guess they slacked off and forgot to call me, but like I said, I didn't have them on a cleaning schedule, so that could have been, you know, avoided by getting a PM contract done with me, but it is what it is. And then I've got the water level sensor sitting in there. Gonna get that cleaned out. So probably gonna have them replace this filter because it doesn't really do shit for the location that it's at. Just removes sediment. That's pretty much it. But gonna get those cleaned out in the meantime, and then I'll be back and running another test. Alright, so we added the cleaner. Normally on these machines you won't be able to add it through here. Obviously it's common sense, so you just add it from the top. Gonna give it about 30 minutes. That's what the direction says, so it'll take about 30 minutes. And then in the meantime I'm gonna clean up that junk down there. But I'm gonna let this cycle over the evaporator and let it clean up as best as it can. So I'll go from there. Yeah, not much else left to do besides clean out that bin and then run a sanitizing cycle after this. Alright, so we got done cleaning the system and then we sanitize it. And so it looks so dirty on camera, but not so much in person. So we ran the cleaner and also the sanitizer. It took about an hour. Now we're running the ice machine. We're at about 22.5 minutes or so. It's kind of hot in here. So pressures are looking okay. We're at about 48 in suction, 266 in head pressure, and then yeah, just waiting for it to make ice. At first this was a cleaning call, and then the next day they called back and said that, hey, the machine hasn't been running the entire weekend. So as you all saw, it was really dirty, needed cleaning. I did offer the customer a solution to, you know, to get rid of the mold and the slime buildup. We use the Eco Ice, but they just don't want to invest that much money into that kind of filtration system, but it's what's needed. Guess they don't want to spend it. But yeah, that's where we're at. We'll come back in a couple months to do another cleaning, so yeah, that's about it. Just gonna wait for this one to drop on the ice, batch of ice, and we'll go from there. Alright, so the unit dropped a batch of ice. Got a few pieces in there I gotta pick up. Like I said, this, you know, they're having a huge slime issue because of the fact that it's in a bar. The yeast from the beer is in the air, so it mixes and it's all nice and dirty in here. So like I said before, we're going to be back here possibly in February, do another cleaning, and then you know, we'll keep an eye on it every once in a while, make sure that it doesn't get that dirty again, because the customer doesn't want to put in a filter system whereas it'll remove all that slime. But I guess they'd rather just pay for getting it cleaned out frequently. But that machine's working good. Pressures are doing good. You know, everything's looking good. So we're gonna end it right there and let this thing make some ice. Alright, until next time.